Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to use the small stylus pen here on the Poco X3, testing whether the stylus is actually working properly on the Poco X3 device or not. So if you want to buy the stylus pen, so make sure to check the links in description or the comments below. I'll try to pin the comment of the links so you can directly find the links. And because a lot of users in my videos, they did ask me what kind of pen I am using every time I am reviewing some of the phones. So I thought of just doing a separate video on the Poco X3 testing out how is the stylus pen working on this Poco X3 device. And in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends SciTech Guru, and also do check the links in description for more details on this Poco X3 smartphone. So let's begin the test first by downloading the one of the application which is called the Sketchbook. So mostly I will be preferring this application because you do have so many options in this Sketchbook application. And the stylus which I'm using is the normal laptop stylus which I bought for the Dell laptops, as you can see. So even you will be getting for the Android phones as well stylus pens. So this is a video which I did recently, Poco X3 175 days reviewing on the using the Poco X3. So I did I think upload close to 300 videos on this Poco X3 device alone. So let's begin the test by clearing everything. So right now everything has been cleared successfully, and here is the stylus pen which I am trying to just write down, and the tip is not sharp. So mostly in the stylus pens you will be seeing the tip will be sharp. So I would not prefer the sharp nib because it can definitely damage the Poco X3 screen or tamper glass if you are using. So maybe try to buy this kind of soft tip only stylus pens. So as you can see, the stylus pen sometimes it doesn't work, so you need to keep a little bit kind of pressure while drawing on this Poco X3 device. So you will be getting a little bit kind of latency or lag as well. I did enable the 120 Hz refresh rate display, but still I'm getting some kind of lag, as you can see here. So you can see the delay in terms of the writing. So you can see how far the pen is, as you can see, friends. So right now you can clearly see when I'm trying to write. So this is the kind of delay you are getting in this phone. What I'll try to do this kind of stylus pens test in other smartphones as well, like Mi11 and other big phones. I can compare stylus pen latency between all the phones, but definitely the Poco X3 is working with this kind of stylus. It's good. So at least you got something that is better than nothing, as you can see, friends. Right now you got here, and you might be wondering that what can you do with this kind of pen. It's not any use at all because it's not that good. So don't worry, friends. This application, which is a sketchbook, which has got really very good advantages in terms of having the different rulers, and you can create all this kind of using the scale. As you can see, you do get this kind of scales as well, so which is a really good advantage. So by using this kind of virtual scales, you can actually draw the straight lines every time, as you can see, which you will be getting really good exact sharp details. You can find really good usage of this scale every time you use, as you can see, friends. So that's why this is the application which I'll be definitely recommending for most of the users. So not only that, you do get different measurements of styles, as you can see here. So this is how you get. But overall, the point is that just let's see how is the writing is. So I'll try to write some text. So definitely it's kind of little bit slow, I would feel, while writing on this phone. As you can see, friends, it's slightly slow, but definitely the stylus pen is kind of working on this Poco X3 device, and even the touch functionality is also working really good using the stylus pen. So that is a multi-purpose use of this stylus pen, as you can see here. So which is working fantastic without any issues, no problem at all. And that's it, friends. I'll see you in the next video for more interesting videos on this Poco X3 device. And thank you for watching this video, and bye.